But you have to learn how to perceive what you need before you even reach out to a coach. Because you're going to frustrate the coach and frustrate yourself, and you're going to think, I got scammed. No, you didn't. You didn't get scammed. It gave you what it promised. But you didn't know what you wanted. I feel like switching gears just for a second. Let me give you a moment of encouragement. To my coaches, to my ladies and gentlemen, to all my ladies in the place with style and grace, allow me to lace. Gentlemen, whether you have a business or in a relationship or friendship or a partnership, you can never be enough to someone that don't know what they want.
You say it one more time?
You can never be enough for someone that don't know what they want. If they don't know what they want, they will consistently be confused and blame you for what they don't have that they never even knew they wanted. There is no program that will help a person that don't know what they want. There is no course that can educate a person that don't know what they want. There is no system that can help a person that don't know what they want. They will discredit your information. Yeah, I don't need this. So what do you need? Like something that takes me to the next level. Okay, where do we find that? This imaginary place. You know what I'm saying? I'm just trying to get this paper. How much? You know, whatever I can get. What is the destination? How many of you, if you're honest, can say, you haven't figured out what you want? Or even better, you haven't figured out what you need. You're like, I never thought about it. Do I need information? Do I need strategy? Do I need systems? Do I need accountability? Or do I need all of them? All of them. Where do I get this from? In my 2-year hiatus of not coaching, I made a decision, me and the team, all of my programs will include all 4. But our system is in 3 phases. You don't move to phase 2 until you show accountability to what we taught in phase 1, the information. In the information, we never give you information without something accompanied with it that's a strategy. Inside of the strategy, you're giving us pieces of information to build the system. And we hold you accountable. Hey, I'm ready to get the funnel built. Hey, we will as soon as you finish your messaging and your marketing headline and hook. So you can see where you fell short and can't blame us. All 4 of these is in our system. And my team is set up, hey, I need to get on a call with Marcus. The best way to get somebody fired is to make them break our 4-step system. Hey, why'd you schedule that? Well, they said they need to talk with you. When is the last contact we had with them, and what did they deliver? Do they need clarity on the last thing? Because why would I hold business owners accountable? Because if they can't fight through this, they can't grow their business. I care too much for them for me to do it for them.